We'll guide you through how to load backups in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, I'm going to make a backup of this world. So I'll go and click on it, then click edit and click on make backup. So we've now backed it up. Now what I'm going to do is just go and delete it for this example. Now go and select any world, it doesn't matter, and click edit and click on open backups folder. It'll take you to like a generic place and then go and find the backup you want to go and load. In this case, it's this one here. You can find the date and also the name. And then all you're going to want to do is go and double click on it and you've got a file in here. And all you want to do is drag this folder onto your desktop like so. And then you want to go and press back and go to the file path at the top and click on .minecraft. And then what you want to do is scroll down here until you go and see saves. Just here and double click on it. And then drag the save folder in here just like so. And I've now moved it, and now if I come and press cancel, I'll press back again and press single player, it's now found the world and we've gone and loaded the backup.